Today we're gonna have the E.A.K shoyu ramen. This is a shoyu based, and it is from a city in Tokyo called Machida. And yeah, we're gonna check it out today and see how good it is. So yeah, I'm boiling the water right now. I have to heat this soup separately in a pot, and have to use a strainer, drain the water, and then the other one I have to cook the actual noodles in. So one's for the noodles, one's for the soup, toppings, etc. etc. So 水差不多开了之后，要把面放进去，然后要煮3分钟。So I'm cooking the noodles right now. I've cooked for about 3 minutes or so, and then the other topping packs I have to do for about, it said supposedly a minute. And then yeah, once this is ready to go, I use a strainer and then get ready to eat. Hảo. 面煮好了，倒进来。OK， 好，汤煮好了。The broth is done. I'm gonna pour it in. Ooh, it's hot. It is hot. Pour it in. And the broth is set. All right. Now for the veggies and chashu. Looking good. 看起来不错。菠菜，菠菜，好，拿出来。两片叉烧，但煮的还不错。看一下，全部倒出来，是吧？然后就可以吃了。Ready to eat.
Hello.
海带忘了，这样子。我今天吃的就是这个拉面，就提供给我的，所以给大家看一下，然后大家欣赏一下。然后，好，我现在准备吃了。那个菠菜很好吃 ，spinach is really good. Try some of the noodles. See how it tastes. 很不错。我很喜欢那个硬的面，所以我不喜欢那煮太久的面，通常会太软，所以这下我看一下，吃点叉烧，哇，叉烧很嫩，非常好吃。你看，不硬也不软，刚好。然后喝一点汤。很棒，那个味道非常均匀，非常浓。所以，please click on the coupon code below and for more information.